Are you an injured worker or an injured worker's attorney and you're litigating disputed temporary disability benefits in a California workers' compensation case? A recent case has come down called Paradia versus Central Concrete Supply Co. that may help. My name is Michael Burgis. I'm a legal certified specialist in California workers' compensation, and I've been a trial attorney since 2008. Before I go into the holding of Paradia v. Central Concrete Supply Co., I need to go over some fundamental bases here. First, an injured worker is entitled to total temporary disability benefits if 1, a doctor is indicating that they can't work because of a work-related injury, or 2, there are temporary work restrictions and the employer is not accommodating. This case is very interesting in that it deals with an insurance company disputing temporary disability based on a unique set of facts. And to overly simplify it, this person had a pre-existing work-related injury that caused injury and disability and had a separate award for it. And then it looks like there was a subsequent injury that could have just been a temporary exacerbation of the prior injury and or a permanent aggravation, but it was speculative at that time because the injured worker hadn't reached the point of maximum medical improvement. So in this case, the defendant was saying, well, this is just a temporary exacerbation or flare-up of the prior industrial injury, and therefore we are not obligated to pay temporary disability. The injured worker, or presumably the injured worker's attorney, was saying, no, this is a new injury. And that attorney was correct, because what the defendant was doing was mistaken injury or causation of injury with causation of permanent disability, or in this case, the whole person impairment. So the holding in this case is, it doesn't matter whether it was a temporary exacerbation or a permanent aggravation, because all that matters is that there's an injury. And total temporary disability is not apportionable. And as long as there's an industrial injury causing the need for total temporary disability or causing the need for temporary work restrictions, the employer is not accommodating, they are legally entitled to total temporary disability benefits, irrespective of what the final permanent disability will be, because again, the defendant was confusing causation of injury with causation of disability. So it's a very, very good holding. If you are an injured worker or an injured worker's attorney, and the defendant is disputing the entitlement of temporary disability benefits based on the asserted claim that this is just a temporary exacerbation or flare-up of a prior injury, this case is directly on point. If you have any questions or concerns, give me a call and I could do the analysis as to how we can make this case work to get you the benefits you're legally entitled to.